Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ALEX token from Alexlab BTC, or Alexlab for short. This token is being listed soon on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ALEX is being listed on a central exchange April 17th, 14 hours UTC time. It is being listed on Mexc Global. And it's actually on their pinned tweet right now on their Twitter. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search ALEX, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token, and that will be available on April 17th at 14 hours UTC time. But as of March 31st, which is tomorrow, today is March 30th, there is going to be a Launchpad event going on for this token, and you can find this in their pinned tweet on Mexc Global. It says, Mexc Launchpad is here. Let's celebrate with Alexlab BTC. That is their Twitter. You can find them at Alexlab BTC on Twitter. It says, hold 1,000 MX tokens to be qualified for the ALEX airdrops. And so they have a snapshot period, which is March 31st, 16 hours UTC time till 15:59 UTC time, April 15th. And you can get involved with this Launchpad event if you like, or you could just get the token when trading opens April 17th on Mexc. But either way, this token will be on Mexc, and this Launchpad event is super cool. You could check it out. So the total supply of ALEX tokens is 1 billion tokens. The total supply is allocated as the following. So 20% goes to the foundation to be allocated to the community reserve pool to support the ecosystem, early adopters, and future development of ALEX. 50% is reserved for community staking of the ALEX token or liquidity tokens to earn ALEX tokens, and 30% to employees, advisors, and early investors and founding team. Now, their official webpage is alexlab.co. They have a block explorer on here at explorer.stacks.co. You can find that on their details page on Mexc. Their Twitter, I already did that, at AlexLabBTC. Their Telegram is at AlexCommunity. They also have a Discord at AlexLab, Medium articles, AlexGOBTC. They have a GitHub, YouTube channel, and they have a full white paper as well, which you can find at docs.alexgo.io. So at ALEX, we build DeFi primitives targeting developers looking to build an ecosystem on Bitcoin enabled by Stacks. So that's why it's on the Stacks blockchain, and you can find that Stacks Explorer on their Mexc Global details page. As such, we focus on trading, lending, and borrowing of crypto assets with Bitcoin as the settlement layer and Stacks as the smart contract layer. At the core of this focus is the automated market maker protocol, which allows users to exchange one crypto asset for another trustlessly. So Alex allows for implementation of arbitrary trading strategies and borrows its design from Balancer V2. Equation abstracts rebalancing and market-making logic, while Pool encapsulates the value of a strategy. Pool abstraction allows aggregation of the assets of all Alex pools into a single vault, bringing many advantages over traditional DEX architecture. So the equation triggers pool rebalancing. This allows creation of an arbitrary rebalancing strategy to the deployed as a pool. So that's why they call it Balancer, because of the what it does. And generalized mean equation. They go over equations on here. You can check that out. They also have the weighted equation, yield token equation. They talk about pool, trading pool, collateralized rebalancer pool, yield token pool, and the vault. And each one of those specific headings, you can read more in depth on their white paper here. They even have sections here like what is a bridge, understanding the bridge, using the bridge, endpoints, what is an order book, understanding the order book, using the order book, automated market maker, trading pool, yield token pool, rebalancer pool, dive into the collateral rebalancing pool. Then for developers, they have a testnet section, smart contracts, and API references. So on their Twitter, they have right now at Alexlab BTC 1,812 tweets. So they're insanely active on Twitter with 50,000 Twitter followers. So they're a very well-established project. Bringing your Bitcoin to life. Launch new projects, earn interest, rewrite finance, reinvent culture. And if you want to talk to people, it's a good idea to join their Discord. And they have the blue check mark on Twitter as well. They're verified on Twitter. They also have a Telegram group with 2,264 members, 243 online. If you go to at Alex Community, you can also find a Telegram with announcements. At Alex Announcement is another Telegram channel as well. So Alex is co-founded by two former Wall Street quants. Has their names on here, bringing 40 plus years of financial derivatives experience to Bitcoin DeFi. Backed by Trust Machine and White Star Capital, Alex is uniquely positioned to unlock over $0.5 trillion in potential capital to deploy in Bitcoin DeFi apps. We are playing the long game. We are creating the building blocks so that when $360 trillion in global wealth starts becoming tokenized, we are ready. And that is a quote from one of the co-founders there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Alex token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.